Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel like English spelling is just a random collection of letters? Well, today I'm going to show you 3 powerful rules that will instantly fix 80% of your spelling mistakes. Let's dive in. Rule 1. The magic E silent E. When a word ends in a silent E, it usually makes the previous vowel long.
Vowel plus consonant plus E, long vowel.
Bit becomes bite. Hop becomes hope. Tap becomes tape. The E is like a superhero that throws its power back to the other vowel. Spelling takes practice, but these 3 rules are your secret weapons. Rule number 2, the I before E rule with a twist. This is the most famous rule, but people often forget the second half. I before E, except after C, or when sounded like A, as in neighbor and way. The I before E rule, for example, believe, friend, peace, thief, relief. There are weird ones like science or height. English loves to be difficult sometimes. Rule number 3, doubling the consonant. When adding an ending, like ing or ed, when do we double the letter? If a one-syllable word ends in C, V, C, consonant, vowel, consonant, double the last letter. Run, run become running. Stop becomes stop. Weapons. Which one did you find most helpful? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next video.